Hi, kindergartners. Welcome back for another math lesson with me, Miss Harwood. The last 2 days, we've been doing some review. We've talked about adding and subtracting with number bonds, and we've done some measurement review. Today and tomorrow, we are going to be learning about shapes. Remember, we've talked a lot about shapes, so we're going to be doing some review games. For today, to start off, we're going to quickly review the names of each shape. While we're doing that, I want you guys to focus on this learning target. I can compare and contrast 2D and 3D shapes. When we compare and contrast, compare means what's the same? What's the same about these shapes? Contrast means how are they different? How are they different shapes? How are those shapes different from each other? 2D shapes, remember, are when they're flat, when you can't see more than one side. So they go side to side. They're flat. 3D shapes are when they're solid, when we can actually hold them. They go side to side, front to back. We can see the back of those shapes. So if you can see the back of a shape, you know it's 3D. So I'm going to hold up some shapes. I want you to yell out the name of the shape as fast as you can. So let's get started with an easy one. You ready? What shape is this? A circle. This is a circle and it's 2D, right? Because it's flat. What shape is this? A cone. This is a cone. And is this a 2D or a 3D shape? 3D shape. Now, when we compare a circle to a cone, we see that they both have a what? They both have a circle shape. However, they're different. How? How can we contrast these two? The cone is 3D. And the circle's 2D. The circle is flat, while the cone is solid. We can actually hold this. It pops, kind of. Let's keep going. What is this shape? A cylinder, a cylinder. And is this shape 2D or 3D? 3D. This shape is 3D. What's the shape? Rhombus. This is a rhombus, not a diamond, rhombus. And this is a 2D shape, rhombus. What's this shape? A triangle. This is a triangle, and it is 2D or two-dimensional. What is this shape? A pyramid. This is a 3D shape, and it is a pyramid. Now, what shape is this face on the pyramid? It's a triangle. So when we compare a triangle to a pyramid, we see that they both have a triangle shape in them. However, when we contrast or tell what's different, we know that a pyramid is 3D and a triangle is 2D. Great job. Let's keep going. What's this shape? A sphere. This is a sphere, and it looks kind of like a ball. What is this 3D shape? This is a rectangular prism. Isn't that a really long name? Rectangular prism. What is this shape? A square. This is a square and it is a 2D shape. Now, when we compare that back to our rectangular prism though, how are they the same? How can we compare them? They both have a square shape. So you can see one face of our rectangular prism is in the shape of a square. So that's how they're the same. That's how we can compare them. However, when we contrast them or when we say what's different, we can say that a rectangular prism is 3D and a square is 2D. The square is flat, whereas this rectangular prism is not. Okay, we only have a few left. Ready? What's this shape? A cube. Good job. This is a cube. Good job. All right, 2 more shapes. You ready? What's this 2D shape? Trapezoid. This is a trapezoid. Good job. And what is this final 2D shape? A hexagon. This is a hexagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. A hexagon always has 6 sides. Great job! You guys, we went through all the 2D and 3D shapes together. Now, I want to go on an adventure with you. We are going to go on a shape hunt in our environment. So our learning target today is I can identify 2D and 3D shapes in the environment. Identify means to name, so we're going to name different 2D or flat shapes and 3D, which are solid shapes in the environment. And when I say environment, that just means the place that you are, just where you are. So we are going to go outside and look for different shapes on our adventure. Are you ready? Let's go.
What shape do you see here? A square. There are squares on the sidewalk here. Let's keep going. Ooh, what shapes do we see here? I see rectangles. Not only are there big rectangles, but look, there are a lot of little rectangles. Nice eye. Ooh, here's a 3D shape. Can you guys tell what 3D shape this might be? It's a cube. This is a cube. This is one of the 3D shapes. Ooh, what kind of shape do you see here? All these poles are one type of shape. What shape do you think they are? A cylinder. They're cylinder shapes. They're curved on one face, and then they have a flat top and bottom. Those are cylinders. A 3D shape. See how it curves? That is a cylinder. Oh, I spy another shape. What shape do you see here? A sphere. This is a sphere. Another 3D shape. It looks like a ball. Here's a good one. What 3D shape do you see here? This is a rectangular prism. You can see all the different rectangular faces that it has. Ooh, I spy 2 of this shape. What shape do you see in this symbol? A circle. Not only is there 1 circle, but there's 2 circles. The wheel is a circle and the head is a circle. Nice eye. Let's keep going. Ooh, here's a new shape. What kind of shape is this sign? An oval. This is an oval. The sides are longer than when we see a circle. Nice job. Ooh, I spy another shape. This tree is in this 3D shape of what? A cone. This tree is in the shape of a cone. You can see the point at the top, and then it's curved around its sides, just like a cone, kind of like a party hat, in the shape of a tree. Very nice. Let's keep going. Ooh, I already spied another shape. Do you guys know what shape this is? A square. This is a yellow square. Whoa, didn't expect to see that right here. Under all the words that say no parking anytime, there's another shape on that arrow. What shape do you see? A triangle. The arrow is a triangle shape at the end. Nice eye. Ooh, last shape. What shape is this table in? Count the sides. This table is in the shape of a hexagon, and a hexagon has 6 sides. What a great last shape to find! A hexagon. This 2D shape is a hexagon.
Wow, what a great adventure looking for all sorts of shapes outside. There are so many shapes all around us. All we need to do is look around. Now it's time for your assignment. Today's assignment, you are going to go on your very own adventure in your house. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find 2 2D shapes. Remember, 2D shapes are flat. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find 2 2D shapes. Remember, 2D shapes are flat. You're going to need to find 2 3D shapes. So like a cylinder, sphere, cone, pyramid, rectangular prism, or a cube. Find 2 3D shapes that are solid in your house. You're going to take a picture and send that picture to your teacher. So go ahead, start looking for those shapes now, and then take a picture and send it to your teacher. We can't wait to see those different shapes that you found. Bye.